Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dhwani and I create content related to lifestyle. If you are a Bandra girly just like me, this video is for you. I've been hopping around cafes in Bandra over the past few months and trust me, I've been to a lot of cafes and here's my honest review about it. What's the hype, what you can skip, what you need to try ASAP. So this one's right around Carter Road. It's a cafe called Pause. It's a perfect place for sundowner. You can literally sip your coffee and watch the beautiful sunset. It's a 7 on 10 for me. The first thing we had was their welcome shot. It was beetroot and ginger, which was quite okay. We also had their paneer bhurji toast, which was quite decent, not a big fan. Lastly, we ended with some aloo olio, which was too good. Okay, unpopular opinion, but Blondie did not impress me. The staff was like a bit rude to us when we entered. The food is quite average. The overall ambience is really cute, but that does not help, with the staff and the food. So you can maybe skip this place. It's a 5 on 10 for me. We had their avo toast, which was so bland. Their butter garlic dosa was too yum, and the drinks were quite average. Scarlet House is a gem if you are into clean eating and healthy-ish food. I love the place. The ambience is super cute and food, oh my god, it's to die for. It's a solid 8.5 out of 10 for me. Their paneer thecha was fire. Even the sushi and gluten-free pasta were delicious. We tried this cleansing drink which you can totally skip. It's not worth the price. Another one for health conscious. Project Hum is all about mindful eating. We tried their burrito bowl and sweet potato fries. It's a 7.5 for me. Tokyo Matcha Bar is literally made for all the matcha lovers. It's super cute, aesthetic and very pinky. My sister and I really loved it. It's an 8 out of 10 for us. We tried their chili garlic udon noodles which was really very good. I had some elderflower mocktail which was very okay, and my sister got some mango matcha for herself. That was really good. Next up is Bougie, always a fave, and it's totally hyped for the right reasons. I have seen so many influencers go there on daily basis and love their coffee. It's a solid 10 on 10 for me. Hi guys, we are again going to Bandra क्योंकि हमें बैंड्रा जाना बहुत पसंद है और हम जा रहे हैं for lunch. Bougie.
It's a late lunch.
Yeah.
It's 3:15 already. I think we'll reach by 4.
We'll reach a bit late. और सारी गलती वृत्ति की है क्योंकि उसने आउटफिट उसका डिसाइड करने में बहुत टाइम लगा दिया.
Yeah, it wasn't my day in terms of choosing outfit. So I guess, but the fit is looking really cute, and you can tell हमने कुछ ज़्यादा makeup किया नहीं है, so like we are a
always.
little tired as well.
So we are finally going to Bandra and it's going to be fun. Yay. See you guys then. We tried their gluten-free burrito bowl which was so damn good. We also had the berry shake which was quite okay, and the avo toast is one of the best I've ever had. Also had this mango chia pudding which was 100 out of 10. Next up is Mori. I'm totally obsessed with this place. It's by Bougie. I love the ambience, I love the food, I love the staff. They have glass ceiling and when it rains, it's super cozy. It's a 10-10 for me. The food here is so damn delicious. We had this veggie wrap. The wrap was made out of wheat flour and it was so tasty. We also had their pizza pie thing. Again, it was so delicious. For drinks, I ordered orange lemonade for me and my sister ordered matcha for her. And the matcha here is so delicious. Next up is Mokai. It's a 10 out of 10 in all the departments. Be it food, be it drinks, be it staff or the place. It's a total vibe. I absolutely love it. It's a solid 10 on 10 for me. They keep changing their ambience every single month, and we tried chili garlic noodles and avo sandwich. It was so yummy. The food here is so good that I keep coming back. This one's new in town and it's already creating buzz. This place is called Drink. Their matcha is so good. I'm not a matcha girly, but I can have matcha from here daily. Their coffee is also really good, and this place again is 10 on 10 for drinks, but I think I would give it a 7 for food. The food here is so average, but drinks were insane. I'm not even a matcha girly, but this one made me consider switching sides. Coffee was great too. Definitely coming back here for hot girl matcha. Okay, so that's my honest take on some of Bandra's cutest cafes. Do let me know which one are you excited to try, and if I've missed some cafes, do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.